there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video I have the honor to introduce you guys to my niece, who is also my godchild. Her name is Fanna, and she's a big supporter of my work and of this channel. She is also really passionate about drawing, and I really see some sparks of talent there, so if she puts in the work, we're gonna hear from this lady. So recently she asked me if I would be interested to redraw one of her characters in my style on this channel, and of course I said yes. So let's have a look at Fanna's character. So this is my niece Fanna, the daughter of my sister, and she drew me this character. She described it to me as a monster, and she only drew the head and told me I could make up whatever I wanted for the body, which is super cool. Looking at this monster, we can see he has horns on his head, he has a pale skin, and he has a lot of wild hair. He's clearly battle worn and has some scars to show for it, and even some blood. The black on his eyes remind me a bit of the Joker from the Dark Knight movie, so I think I'll go for that look, but I guess I will mostly add that in the coloring stage. With what Fanna gave me, we can go all kind of different directions with this creature, but I decided to turn him into a fantasy warrior beast type of character. I also gave him a background story, so keep watching the video and I will tell you all about it. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. The Fanna are a race of beastly creatures living high up in the mountains. The chance that you'll ever meet one is very small. They are very shy, and because of their skin color, they are not easily detected in the snowy environment they live in. They prefer to live a quiet and peaceful life, but can turn into fierce warriors when needed. For the longest time, they only appeared in songs and tales. Most people thought they didn't really exist and were made up by the storytellers we often see in our streets. But now that our lands are threatened by the armies of our enemies marching toward our borders, they decided to leave the mountains to join the army of the king and help save the world. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I really hope you guys like this redrawing I made of this character created by my niece Fenna. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me in this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. I'm going to finish this coffee and then start on a new drawing for the next video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!